On question number 4, they want us to find P when A is equal to 16,000, R is equal to 11.5%, and T is equal to 5 years. So because they give us A, we're going to use the second formula. So 16,000 is equal to P times 1 plus 0.115 times 5. So I want to figure out what 1 plus 0.115 times 5 is. And we get 1.575. So 16,000 is equal to 1.575 times P. So because that is the coefficient, we can now divide by 1.575 on both sides. So P is equal to 10,158, and then we are going to round this to 73 cents. So we always round the dollar amount to the nearest cent.